Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. In this symposium, I would like to present about protein expression and antioxidant status in nasopharyngeal carcinoma. So this is the content of this presentation about introduction, protein expression, antioxidant status, and conclusion. For introduction, I had been known that the pathogenesis of NPC is multifactorial, which are genetic, Epstein-Barr virus infection, and environment factors. This knowledge leads to several research of molecules that are responsible for carcinogenesis of NPC. At the recent years, the therapy for NPC are direct to molecular targeted therapy. Molecule is used biomarker can be the predictive factor for NPC. This biomarker is expressed protein that can be analyzed by immunohistochemistry. Oxidative stress is a condition with ROS accumulation that is related with cancer. Related with NPC, ROS may be caused by gene polymorphism of metabolic carcinogen enzyme and ABV infection. One of parameter of this condition is total antioxidant status or TAS. So the first main topic in protein expression, in recent years, there are several protein express have been found for NPC patient by immunohistochemistry method. In this presentation, we will discuss 6 protein. They are 38 P38 MAPK, TNF-alpha, LMP1, VEGF, COX-2, and MMP9. The P38 MAPK is mostly associated with anti-apoptosis function and also cause cell transformation. We had done a study and found significant associated of P38 MAPK clinical state of NPC. We found 100 of 126 NPC samples with P38 MAPK overexpression, and mostly they are with bigger primer tumor size and higher clinical staging. Clinical trial by Sullivan and his team showed there are increase of apoptosis function and suppressing of proliferation after administration of P38 MAPK inhibitor in colon tumor. MAPK is thought to be responsible for regional lymph node metastasis. Studies showed that MAPK overexpression is related with intracranial invasion and higher stage of NPC through AURA overexpression. TNF-alpha had known to be involved in all carcinogenesis aspects such as cellular transformation, proliferation, invasion, angiogenesis, and metastasis. In our study, we found 101 of 126 NPC samples with overexpression of TNF-alpha. It is mostly found in higher stage of primary tumor size, lymph node enlargement, and clinical staging. It is also had significant association with clinical staging. Study by Jean and his team showed that the significant reduction of TNF-alpha expression after treatment of NPC. Anderson et al. Found upregulation of TNF-alpha in plasma of NPC patient and related with poor prognosis. In other study about head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, they found that TNF-alpha overexpression is high in advanced stage of head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. LMP1 is oncoprotein and is expressed by EBV infection. This molecule activates several signaling factor, signaling pathway related with carcinogenesis. We found LMP1 overexpression in 47 of 56 NPC samples and had significantly associated with histopathological type and clinical staging. LMP1 activate signaling pathway, including check and start MAPK or ERK, which are common for carcinogenesis, upregulation, MMP9, COX2, and beta-catenin that responsible for cell proliferation and metastasis, downregulation, cadherin, which is also known as part of tumor suppressor gene, and induce HIF1 alpha that is related with angiogenesis. Study by Wong et al. Showed there were 38 of 61 NPC cases with positive LMP1 expression and significant associated with clinical staging. Study by Bortakur and his team found 36 of 40 NPC samples with LMP1 overexpression and the association with histopathological type. LMP1 overexpression was most found in the non-keratinizing squamous cell carcinoma type. The differentiation status of histopathological type is thought to be associated with the activation of WNT beta-catenin signaling factor pathway. VEGF is a common growth factor for tumorigenesis and has role in angiogenesis. In our study, we found 51 of 56 NPC samples with VEGF overexpression. It is also was related significantly with lymph node metastasis and clinical staging. Activation of VEGF can induce proliferation, survival, and motility of endothelial cell. Studies showed the majority of VEGF overexpression in NPC samples, and Dunn et al. Found there was significant association of VEGF overexpression with tumor, primary tumor, lymph node metastasis, and clinical stage. COX2 induce carcinogenesis by protection against apoptosis, potentiation for cell proliferation, angiogenesis, invasiveness, and metastasis. COX2 along with VEGF are induced by LMP1 and potentiate the angiogenesis role of VEGF. Our study showed the overexpression of COX2 is 80 of 98 NPC samples. It is also significantly associated with primary tumor size, lymph node enlargement, and clinical staging. Studies showed the overexpression of COX2 and mostly found in majority of NPC samples. Overexpression of COX2 was also associated with clinical stage, T and N classification, distant metastasis, recurrence of the disease, and poor overall survival rate. MMP9 is the part of matrix metalloprotein enzyme which has role in the degradation of extracellular matrix component. MMP9 is found mostly in the inflamed cell and neoplasia condition. In our study, we found MMP9 overexpression in 78 of 98 NPC samples. MMP9 expression is thought to be induced by LMP1. MMP9 has role for invasion of tumor cell to extracellular matrix through gelatin type 4, 5, 11, 16 collagen degradation and lead to invasion of metastasis of cell. Liu et al. Found MMP9 overexpression in 127 of 164 NPC samples, and it is significant association with lymph node status, clinical staging, and poor prognosis. Some proteins have been studied in NPC cases are known to be related with each other. MAPK has reciprocal relationship with TNF-alpha. TNF-alpha active NAPK include the C-Jun and terminal kinase atau GNK, and P38 MAPK and P42, P44 MAPK. However, the MAPK which activated by TNF-alpha cause an increased expression of TNF-alpha by target cell. TNF-alpha also related with MMP9 and VEGF upregulation. LMP1 is known to be related with activation of MMPK signal and pathway, COX-2, VEGF, and MMP9 upregulation. Experimental study by Lee et al. Showed the effectiveness of celecoxib in downregulation of MMP9 in NPC cell in vitro. Pathogenesis of several cancers have associated with oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs due to the imbalance of ROS and the antioxidant system. Elevated ROS together with decreased antioxidant in active tumor suppressed gene. In addition, increased ROS is also associated with angiogenesis and epithelial mesenchymal transition. TAS is one of oxidative stress biomarker and had been found lower in several cancers. In our study, we found 21 of 29 NPC patients with lower TAS level. We did not find any study about TAS level in NPC patient. However, Sterhart et al. In the study of oropharyngeal cancer patient had found decrease of TAS, particularly in EBV positive oropharyngeal cancer. EBV infection had been thought to induce ROS, especially by LMP1, EBER, and autocrine IL-10 production. Cow et al. Revealed that production of ROS by EBV is caused by activation of NADPH oxidative in NPC patient. Research about the relations between several molecules that contribute to development of NPC may be helpful in the era of targeted therapy. Research about antioxidant status can help the clinician to consider adding antioxidant intake in NPC therapy. Thank you.